This is Tunam here, and this is a dual train track set, two of them, and now then we got a station here. Let's actually get these things going, if it would want to. There's that one. This one's a bit loud. I knocked the thing off. There's a bit of helicopter parts there. Oh, come on, what's wrong with this? I'll be back when I figure it out. Okay, so it turns out that I had to tighten this one here, because it was like popping out like really far. Let's see, will it derail this time? It will indeed, but why? Turns out that there's a little tiny section of the track missing. I don't know why or when this happened, but yeah. So now, let's just ignore this train. Okay, it just goes now. So yeah. Now we got some of these old classic cars that I have. And I'm just actually gonna turn this off because it doesn't even work. Oh, almost just hit that thing. I wonder when it derails. Yeah, this one's really smells quite torquey. There's loads of torque, that one. It derails right there. That's the issue. The tracks are old. How does it derail here? Just go on the track. There we go. So yeah, there's the first problem. I'll try to like put sellotape over it so that it covers the gap. But yeah, now we've got a police station here, as there's a police car here, and this train is really annoying when you just do that. Yeah, that one goes around just fine. There's like a tunnel that goes under there, there's like an underpass. That's pretty good. We've got some classic cars here, we've got some Morris Minors, we've got a taxi, another taxi, we've got some old London buses. This seems to be some kind of Chevrolet. And we got a H type Volkswagen Type 2. Not H, that's the wrong one. This seems to be a Mercedes of some sort. That's probably a Ford. Yeah, I think that's a Ford. It's like a company logo, so there's like the trains carry resources for it. So yeah, let me actually just fill this gap up and see how this actually works. Okay, so it's on there. You can see that it fills the gap quite well. It's a bit soft, but let's test it if it would go over the gap now. It will probably indeed, as... Oh, come on now, this one doesn't want to start. There we go. And it went over it. Perfect. Okay. Okay, that's good to go. Yeah, let's enjoy this thing in the dark. Do that. Oh, come on. Why is it now? Oh, you just soft railed. Oh, come on, go. Really? Oh, come on, it's playing up. Just because it starts zooming, you break. Oh, come on, the physics in this world are broken. Let's try this. Okay, there we go. That. Whoa, no. Don't crash down. Okay, seriously, this thing has some weird problem. There we go. That should work. It just gets stuck here. Just because it's dark, the physics change? Seriously. Let's just turn the light back on and see what's actually happening. Oh wait, the rubber isn't even on the tracks. That's the problem. There we go. Now that it's on the tracks, I have no excuse. Let me just tighten this a little. Also, why are these things moving? These things should not be moving. Let's watch it go over this bit here. Really? Oh, come on. Move. There we go. It works. Kind of pushed it on there. No, for this one. Uh-oh, that one scraped that one. That means it's derailed. See it going over the thing. Where is it even? It's over here. Why does it get stuck every time on this one specific place? Somehow the things get derailed. So yeah, that's really all there is for this. So you got the 2 stations over there. 2 stations. You've got 1 police station there. And the train that derails. That train is perfect. This one over here is like all braking and stuff. Like, come on, go. Go. Really? Oh, it's running out of battery now. Oh, it did a wheelie. Oh, it's doing a wheelie. Stop. I'm going to put you on track, but you're not letting yourself. Okay. Try to do a wheelie. Let me turn that light off. Look at this bend. It's like tilting. I think it will just fall off the tracks any time. Yeah, that tail over there looks deadly. So yeah. Go. Come on. No! Okay, well that fell. That derailed. Also, I added an emergency feature that if it falls off the track, it will actually, like, the batteries will fall out. So yeah. So yeah, let's do a Polar Express action scene.